Welcome to Tech Explorer. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. Nothing has quickly built a reputation for delivering unique and futuristic smartphones, and the Phone 3A Pro is set to push those boundaries even further. With its iconic transparent design, an upgraded glyph interface, a stunning 6.77-inch AMOLED display, the powerful Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, and a versatile triple-camera system, this device aims to deliver a one-of-a-kind smartphone experience. Whether you're a gamer, photographer, or someone who simply loves cutting-edge technology, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro offers something special. So, let's break it all down and see if this phone lives up to the hype. Nothing has made a bold statement in the smartphone industry with its transparent design philosophy, and the Phone 3A Pro stays true to that legacy. The back panel showcases the internals, giving it a futuristic and unique look that sets it apart from any other smartphone on the market. The premium aluminum frame ensures a solid yet lightweight feel, making the device both durable and comfortable to hold. The biggest highlight of Nothing phones is their glyph interface, and the 3A Pro takes it to the next level. The LED lighting system on the back of the phone isn't just for aesthetics, it offers practical functionality. You can customize the lights for different notifications, calls, messages, and even app alerts. Want to know who's calling without looking at the screen? Assign a unique light pattern to each contact. The glyph lights can also sync with music, create a visual charging indicator, and serve as a silent notification system when your phone is face down. Nothing has also added an extra button on the side, allowing users to assign custom actions like launching the camera, opening apps, or controlling smart home devices. The 6.77-inch AMOLED display on the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is a treat for multimedia lovers. With FHD plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate, everything from scrolling through social media to gaming feels buttery smooth. The deep blacks, vibrant colors, and HDR support make watching videos and movies a fantastic experience. Whether you're gaming, streaming content, or browsing the web, this display ensures crisp visuals and excellent color accuracy. Thanks to its adaptive refresh rate technology, the phone intelligently adjusts between 60 Hz and 120 Hz based on the content, helping to conserve battery life without compromising on smoothness. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, ensuring fast and efficient performance. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos, this processor handles everything with ease. The Adreno GPU ensures high frame rates in demanding games, making this phone a great choice for mobile gamers. Combined with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, you get fast uploading times, smooth multitasking, and quick file transfers. To keep the device from overheating, Nothing has incorporated an advanced cooling system, ensuring the phone stays cool even during long gaming sessions. So, whether you're playing Call of Duty Mobile, Genshin Impact, or PUBG, expect consistent performance without throttling. Nothing is stepping up its camera game, and the Phone 3A Pro is proof of that. The triple camera system is designed to capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. The 50MP main sensor delivers sharp, detailed images with excellent dynamic range. Whether you're shooting in daylight or low light conditions, the AI processing ensures accurate colors and natural skin tones. The 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom allows you to capture distant subjects with incredible clarity. This lens is perfect for portrait photography and capturing details from a distance. The 8MP ultra-wide lens lets you fit more into every shot, making it ideal for landscape photography, group photos, and creative compositions. On the front, the 32MP selfie camera ensures you get sharp, well-balanced selfies, even in low-light conditions. It also supports 4K video recording, making it an excellent choice for content creators, vloggers, and video calls. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro comes with a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day battery life, even for heavy users. Whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or working on the go, this phone is designed to keep up with your lifestyle. When it's time to recharge, the phone supports 45W fast wired charging, allowing you to reach 50% in just 20 minutes. The device also features battery optimization algorithms within Nothing OS 3.1, ensuring efficient power management for longer-lasting performance. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro is fully equipped with 5G connectivity, ensuring fast internet speeds, low latency, and a seamless browsing experience. Whether you're streaming 4K videos, playing online multiplayer games, or making video calls, 5G ensures ultra-fast and reliable connectivity. Other features include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC for contactless payments, and an in-display fingerprint scanner for fast and secure unlocking. The stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos deliver immersive sound quality, making gaming and media consumption even more enjoyable. Running on Android 15 with Nothing OS 3.1, the Phone 3A Pro offers a bloat-free, smooth, and customizable user experience. Nothing OS keeps things simple and minimal, focusing on performance and user control. The clean UI, smooth animations, and AI-powered optimizations ensure that the phone runs flawlessly. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro is a game-changer in the mid-premium smartphone segment. With its unique transparent design, upgraded glyph interface, extra customizable button, powerful performance, versatile triple-camera system, and long battery life, it offers a truly distinctive smartphone experience. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, gamer, or someone who wants a stylish and feature-packed smartphone, the Phone 3A Pro is definitely worth considering. So, what do you think about the Nothing Phone 3A Pro? Are you excited about its customizable glyph interface and extra button functionality? Or do you think another smartphone might steal the spotlight? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest smartphone news, leaks, and reviews, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.